starting from Excel, Power BI, SQL, and Python. Like uh, everything was good. Like whatever they taught us, like as if we don't know anything. Like it gave me a chance to unlearn like what I have learned already, and like start as
Right.
a beginner. So earlier, like I used to take around a week of my time during
Mhm.
my work hours on that. Like in fact, like it reduced around 97% of my effort, like which I did call it out with my team, and like we got around 10% plus and
Oh,
some bonus. So that's one
right,
thing
right.
like which pushed me to learn new skills. Like when I went ahead and started with mastery class, like definitely like that consistency thing, like which build some. I would say like you have a lot of tools and a lot of training sessions outside, but with this,
Right,
like I would definitely call that out. Like so there'll be some assignment sort of thing given for you. Like definitely even that is helping. Like if
right.
not, like take the learnings from there, implement it in your work,
Mhm.
and so if you have any doubts, like you have a clarification session on the weekdays,
That's true.
like you can call out that, and like definitely like your questions are answered on regular basis.
Hello, Madhu. Good afternoon.
Hey, hi, how are
How are
you?
you doing?
Yeah, all good.
So I'm really excited to know your success story and how you dealt with it, how you achieved it. There is a lot of conversation that we have to do today. So are you interested? Are you like excited to
Yes, I
share
am
your?
okay. Yes, definitely.
Gotcha. So let us go deep into it now. So before we proceed into our further discussion, I would like you to introduce yourself to the people who may not know you.
So myself, Madhu, like I work as a QA lead in one of the gaming company. So this is about me. Yeah.
Okay, okay, great. So, as you said, you are a QA lead. Uh, can you address what are the challenges that you usually face in your work situation?
So so we earlier, like before getting introduced or any a mastery class or something, like there were few tasks like which was taking a lot of time. So I was able to cut down it to 95%, bring it
Mhm.
down by 95%, and like I am able to utilize 5% of my time and finish that job now. So it is helping me to focus on really important stuff.
Okay, 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 great. So, like, how did you find out about this masterclass, and how did B10X stood out for you in this current competitive market?
So I keep hearing about AI and stuff. Like I was not sure like uh, to which class to how to get started. Like me, I got one of the ad in Instagram. Basically, I gave it a shot. I did
Okay,
attend that introduction class. Like I felt it's really good.
okay,
And
okay.
yeah, that's how I got to know.
Right, 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 right. Okay. So once joining the masterclass, what was the best thing that you liked about masterclass?
I think everything. In fact, like whatever covered so far for me, like starting from Excel, Power BI, SQL, and Python, like uh, everything was good. Like whatever they taught us, like as if we don't know anything. Like it gave me a chance to unlearn like what I have learned already, and like start as a
Right.
beginner, and like which helped me a
Okay.
lot to implement it. So it's been some days, like a few topics which I have been touched, like
Right.
with the basic thing, with the basics and stuff, like Excel and other stuff. Like I didn't give it a try for macros, for example. So with the class, like since they
Okay.
started from beginning, like I was able to explore app script and everything with the help of AI exploration also. Like it did help in creating my own
Oh,
automation scripts. So
okay.
personally also, like I'm just started with LLMs, few of the creating few of the AI LLMs also.
Mhm. Right.
It's quite good.
So, Madhu, tell me what are the key AI tools or skills that you learned from masterclass, which were actually, so relatable to your role or job position?
So mainly getting started with Excel, like I have used few of the tools like Perplexity. Like Perplexity is one of my go-to tool, like as of now. Big, yeah.
Right.
And one other thing, Claude. and mainly
Okay.
like Google Colab for anything on the go which you need to code or any scripts
Right.
which you need to write. Like it was quite easy using and like
Okay.
I did use Google AI Studio.
Speaking about your achievement, can you talk about a little bit more about it? What's your achievement and, what's the tangible impact of your achievement?
Yeah, definitely. So one of the thing is like if we have back-to-back releases, like we have lots of data. Since I am from QA background, like we have lots of data for in the Jira basically, like which is all not sorted so well, and we do have some tools like EasyBI and which is similar to sort of Power BI, like where you can
Mhm.
write some MDX queries and get it queried and create your dashboards.
Right.
Which I didn't explore it much. Like after getting into this Power BI DAX queries, like I did get an opportunity to explore that and created really insightful dashboards over there. With that, like there was some amount of process improvements done for the releases and stuff, and also like I have created some macros in Excel, like with the Excel mastery class. So I didn't explore it earlier, but after this class, like I did give it an exploration and definitely like created some dynamic dashboard. Right now, like I just dump the data, like it'll create a dashboard for me. And
Okay.
so earlier, like I used to take around a week of my time during
Mhm.
my work hours on that. Like in fact, like it reduced around 97% of my effort, like which I did call it out with my team, and
Mhm.
uh, so that's how like it's going on. So that's
Oh,
what the main thing like which happened. Like in fact, like I got around what 95 97% reduction of effort on your day-to-day
right.
job
Right.
is something very critical. And
Okay. And what is the percentage of hike that you mentioned?
so I have a decent salary. Like I got around 10% plus and
Oh,
some bonus.
okay. Okay. Great. So, how many years of experience you have, Madhu, as of now?
So I have around 12 years of experience.
Great, great, great. So, I guess in the previous 11 years of work experience, it was, to some kind of a level. And this 12th year, I think this is another milestone year for you because, the scenario and dynamics of, the work has changed because of AI.
Yeah,
And this is
definitely.
a great evolution of the working style.
Yes, definitely. Like
Things
with the change.
have been eased and yeah, tasks that takes a lot of time that got cut off. So how are you feeling about that transition?
See, I think like earlier, like automation was. So I was thinking about some automations, like few things used to come into our minds. Now it's become some mandate sort of thing. Like if you are not upskilling yourself, like you are left behind. So that's one
Right,
thing
right.
like which pushed me to learn new skills. Like when I went ahead and started with mastery class, like definitely like that consistency thing, like which build some. I would say like you have a lot of tools and a lot of training sessions outside, but with this,
Right.
like I would definitely call that out. Like weekly, like,
Mm.
you attend the session. Like if you have, excuse. So weekly, like you attend the sessions, like be attentive. So there'll be some assignment sort of thing given for you. Like definitely, even that is helping. Like if
Right.
not, like take the learnings from there, implement it in your work,
Mhm.
and so if you have any doubts, like you have a clarification session on the weekdays, like you
Session.
can call out that, and like definitely like your questions are answered on regular basis.
So thank you so much for sharing your success story, Madhu. And it was a great conversation with you today. One last question, like, what is your next steps? Like, what's your future plan related to your career, and how are you going to leverage it using AI?
So I'm looking forward for next management role, like which is I definitely feel like it is going to happen very soon. So I see
Okay,
positive
right, right. Please do,
things.
connect with us and please let us know your for the success stories as well.
Sure,
So
definitely.
definitely, definitely. We'll be looking forward to it. So all the best, Madhu. All
Thank
the
you. Thank
best
you so
for
much.
your
Like
uh,
it helped me a lot.
career. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Your words also motivate us to provide a better value for the upcoming sessions or to the other learners. Right. So thank you. Thank you a lot.